Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the solution. Like you see, I'm using the NotebookLM on mobile, and actually I upload this file, this unfinished loading upload. I upload this file using my laptop or my desktop, and then here I'm using my mobile. It still remain load to upload, which means it unsuccessfully upload. So I don't know why this happens. Supposed to be, I suspect two things. The first one, because the connection aborted because I'm in a rush recently, and then the second one because the file size is so big, because the file itself about 200 megabytes. So here the solution, if you want to delete it, I mean to force delete that file, you just click on this triple dot icon, and then there is an option of delete a source. You can delete the source, and then you can click this bin icon, and then you can force delete it. And then I click delete, and then wait for a while. Okay, it seems still there, but don't worry. You just go back, refresh it, or you can close your notebook LM. You can close like that, and then open again your notebook LM, and then go back to the notebook that already you delete, and then go back. And then I think it sometimes it not respond in a good way, so I try it one more time. Be careful, you have to delete what you want to intend to. Don't accidentally delete another source, because unfortunately right now the NotebookLM doesn't provide how to download the sources. Okay, now I close again the NotebookLM. Okay, and then I go back to my NotebookLM. Supposed to be now it's deleted. Oh, I don't know how come it's still loaded. I mean, it's still loading. And let's try one more time, okay? Come on, come on. Okay, now see, I have now only three sources, because it is only three sources, but the first one and the last one is unfinished upload, and then now it's supposed to be it's already three sources. So let's see, I close again the notebook LM. Okay, and then go back to notebook LM. Oh, I don't know why, how come it's still four sources on my last. Okay, see, I want to delete this one, and how come um I click delete again one more time. Let's see. Okay, I don't know why now it doesn't work, because uh last time I tried this method, it works properly. How to force delete the unfinished upload on NotebookLM. Okay, I'm sorry guys. You just try by yourself. See you on next video. Bye bye.